Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how an appraiser can upload an appraisal report after it has been marked as after the inspection has been marked as completed. So as on the screen, you can see that this is an appraisal order that requires a report submission is needed. We click on this appraisal and move towards the appraisal detail page and move towards the documents tab. Over here, you can upload an appraisal report. We can drag or we can drop the file over here and you can upload a PDF, an XML or a .env file. We can upload multiple files at the same time. You need to click on upload report securely button to upload it. If I want to, I can upload another type of like XML or any kind of different type of format of the file as well and upload it securely. And when it is uploaded, I can submit for review. And as it say a final submission is needed, so we need to confirm the submission. We have submitted an appraisal report and we have basically it's for a private client, so that's why it has sent this. If it would have for a lender, so it would have an AIR certificate attached to it. So now basically it has been sent for review where the operational admin will basically review the appraisal report with the help of the QC, AIQC, so that it finds if any mistakes, so it will send back you to edit. So basically, we are on the main screen of the appraiser's page and it says that revision is required and it's in progress. We need to click on that and we'll move towards the documents page and it says that an action is required. That means revision is requested. So if there are some issues in the appraisal report, it is sent back to send a revised version of it. So you can upload a revised report of it or you can provide a clarification. First, we will go with providing a revised report for it. I have uploaded a revised and I'm going to upload it securely. And once it has been uploaded securely, I can submit for review and confirm submission. And it is now submitted for review. Okay, now basically now again it said that the changes are requested for an appraisal report and we have also new upload is required for is we need to upload a new report for it. So we can provide a clarification for it. So I can provide a clarification note. This is fine. Maybe the AI is hallucinating. So we can confirm the submit clarification. And now this clarification has been submitted for that specific appraisal report. Okay, basically now it was accepted and now it is in customer review state where you can't upload basically the document and you can't see the inspection as well. So basically it's in customer review. And what happens in customer review, we will have a separate video for that. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.